This problem says to write the event as a set, and the set is describing the event that red appears exactly twice when the spinner is spun 3 times. So you're going to have 3 spins, 2 of them will be reds. I suppose the simplest way to do it is just to do a tree diagram. Think of it this way. If you spin it once, you can get either a red, a blue, or a yellow. On the second spin, you can still get a red or a blue or a yellow. If you spin and get a blue the first time, if you have to have 2 reds, then there's nothing else possible except to get red followed by red. If you get anything else, you won't have 2 reds. Same thing here with yellow. If you get yellow on the first, you have to do red, red, because if you don't, you won't get red exactly twice. Now, up top, when you first choose red, you still have some more decisions. If you choose red followed by another red, then of course you can't get another red because that'd be 3, but you could get a blue or you could get a yellow. However, if you choose red followed by blue, if you're going to get exactly 2 reds, then the next one has to be a red. And finally, if you get a red followed by a yellow, you have to have a red as the next one, because otherwise you don't get 2 reds. And remember, our goal was to have exactly 2 reds in each one. So that would be 2 reds if you go down that path. You'd get 2 reds if you go down this path. You'd get 2 reds if you go down that path. You've got 2 reds if you go this way, and you've got 2 reds if you go this way. So we've exhausted every possibility, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. They didn't ask us to count them this time. If they said how many ways, it would be 6. They actually ask us to write the event. So they want us to write that event as a set, not to count. So you're going to write a set that contains all these possibilities. So the first one is RRB. The next one is RRY. The next one is RBR. The next one is RYR. The next one is BRR. And the final one is YRR. So now I have written the event they described as a set. Every possible combination of blues, reds, and yellows where red appears exactly twice. Notice they're not asking for a count. They're not asking for a probability. They strictly want you to list the events. So read things carefully.